I've been teaching this long enough to know that there's a few questions people have, and I imagine you might have a few of them too, especially if this is a absolute basic, pure introduction to you of modern Ho'oponopono. One of the questions I get is, do I have to say them in a particular order? No. You say them in whatever order feels right to you. I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you. Mix it up. Say it whatever you like. The second thing people often ask is, do I need to feel the phrases when I say them? And the truth is, you don't need to feel it. And even Dr. Hew Len once said, as long as you're saying them inside yourself, that's great, you'll get results. But I've found over 2 decades of doing this that I get faster results if I actually feel the phrases. That means when I say thank you, I truly am grateful. I truly feel thank you when I say thank you. And when I say I love you, I really open my heart and feel, oh, I love you. In the same way, I'm sorry or please forgive me. I really get into the states of emotion that those phrases conjure up. Because I have found that when you feel the emotions that go with the words, it accelerates the process of transformation for you. Another question that I often get is, why do I have to say I'm sorry or please forgive me? I didn't do anything wrong. I've heard that one a lot. And I point out, nobody's saying you did anything wrong. Nobody's saying that you violated any law. Nobody is saying that you need to be punished. The example I use is if you were walking through a crowded store and it's crowded and you turn and you bump into somebody, don't you say, I'm sorry? You say, I'm sorry naturally and easily and automatically. It doesn't mean that you were bad in any way, shape, or form. What it means is you were unconscious. That's it. You didn't see the person there. You bumped them. And because you bumped them out of your unconsciousness, you say, I'm sorry. That's how you say, I'm sorry or please forgive me. It's not an admittance that you broke some sort of traffic law and you're going to get a ticket. It is not that sort of crime and punishment mentality. It's more psychological. It's more the understanding that I was unconscious to my beliefs and unconscious to my behavior. And because of that, it created the situation that you're calling a problem. So you're saying, please forgive me. I'm sorry. Thank you. And I love you. It's very pure and it's very innocent.
This program is designed to teach you everything from the basics to the advanced of Ho'oponopono. So you know this and you can live this and you can practice this and you can teach it to others if you like. Now, this is a program for you because you're here and because you're paying attention to what I'm having to say. Obviously, you came here for a reason. Obviously, you're interested in Ho'oponopono, and you're probably interested in being certified as a certified Ho'oponopono practitioner. Well, if all of that is true, then all you have to do now is review this page, and then if you're interested and you feel your heart is nudging at you or tugging at you or inspiring you to sign up for this, I say do it. I say that there are moments in life that change your life forever. They're those defining moments when you make a decision, and that decision takes you in a new direction or a deeper direction. And I believe that's what's going on here today. This has been a new direction for me, for Guitar Monk Matthew Dixon, for all the people at Statbrook and Global Sciences who are behind this certification program. And I invite you to review this, sit with it, meditate on it, and if it really feels like it's right for you, then go ahead and sign up for it. You will love the detail, you will love the program. If you already love Ho'oponopono, then this is going to make you even more passionately in love with this life-altering technology or modality or spirituality, whatever you want to call it. Obviously, Ho'oponopono has changed my life. It's changed everybody's life, including Dr. Hew Len, including Guitar Monk Matthew Dixon. All of us have been changed by this very simple program. But don't be deceived by how simple Ho'oponopono is. I was on a call recently where people were asking me questions about Ho'oponopono and how do they say the phrases? Who do they say the phrases to? Do they say them to other people? Do they say them inside themselves? What order do they say them in? Why do they have to say the phrases at all? Why do they have to say, I love you, I'm sorry? What else can they do besides the phrases? They had all these questions, and I realized even with the trainings that are out there, even with my books that are out there, even with the available information that you can find by Googling around, there isn't everything in one place like there is now. And now not only can you get all of the education and absorb it and use it and practice it and change your life, but you can be certified as a Ho'oponopono practitioner. So this is the best of all worlds. So I encourage you, review the site. If it feels right, if you feel inspired, sign up. Meanwhile, I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, and thank you.